Kasi naman na-late ako sa seaplane namin. I mean, late yung seaplane. Then, so 12:30 na ako nakarating sa ano, no? Tapos yung flight is nasa 1:05. So, na-late ako. Pati yung second counter sarado na din. Tapos, ayun, buti na lang pinano ko. Sabi ko, kakarating lang ng seaplane flight. Pero, ang catch naman is, pinayagan nila ako. Ngayon, nakasay naman ako sa exit, emergency exit seat. Yan, wala tuloy ako pang movie. Extra legroom, pero extra responsibility din. Welcome PH, and here I am waiting for my parents. And I just ordered one coffee. Hello. Pork, ginatang santol, and tortang talong. Hello, we are here after we bought some items. And then, kakain muna kami samgyupsal. Dahil gusto ni Sir na mag-samgyup. Tapos bukas magsa-samgyup ulit kami. Namusta naman, di ba? Say hi to my vlog. Sadly, 9 o'clock pa lang naman. No, 8:51, 9 o'clock. Tapos, 10 o'clock sila magsasara, pero nagpa-last call na sila. So, that means they will not accept any more guests. Kaya maghihirap. Mag-ano na naman kami. Mag-hug na naman kami. Ang kawawang labi ko. Finally, we are here. We found some good like a restaurant offering samgyupsal. Then there's cheese, then there's sauces, then there's some sardines. For the 10 kg. We are on our way sa airport dahil flight na ng aking labi.
Pero business ko yun. Ay, paano? Ngayon, wala na na binibigay.
Bye-bye, my friend! Mabigat pa. I-ano? Bye-bye. Mwah. Bye!
Ganito.
Matutulog na naman siya.
Style ko dito. Hindi mo na maibalik yan. Hindi mo na maano. Hawak natin.
Bigyan ka ng 5,000. Kaya halaga na rin yun.
Ang hotel namin. So we are about to go to a nail salon dahil ito na no, my hair is done already and ito na lang talaga yung kulang. I'm with my sister and my mom. Oh my God! Dito kami nag-tricycle before. Ayan. Diyan. Ay, dito pala, mali. Yan, diyan kami naghihintay. Tapos may lugaw pa dyan. Oh, may lugawan pa. Ay, hindi pala. Sisig na ngayon. Okay, we're here to buy dried mangoes for my friends there in Germany. My sister.
Daniel na nagbubuon.
Ano? Pati na nga.
Uy!
Hi, Papito.
Parik, ko alam ba kayo?
Ano na naman siya? Dito.
Atras ko din.
Bro, ka talaga nito. Anak.
Gulo ng pamilya. Hello, we are on our way to eat samgyeopsal again. This is my second samgyeopsal. Dahil gusto daw nila.
South Mall daw, sabi ni Ian.
And the driver for today is...
Nalagyan ko na ng ano. Yung biscuit dyan. Laban si Ian.
Saan?
Nang sa may...
Sila dun sa may ano eh.
Sa may Los Baños.
Sa may ano.
Sa Lola Pansing.
Sa may Kabso.
Kabso.
Okay, shopping. Shopping time. So we just bought some items and then we'll eat at... Saan yun, Ian? Sambukuji. For samgyeopsal. So we are here in Sambukuji. We'll have our dinner here with my family because tomorrow is our flight to Singapore. So yeah, this is my only chance to spend my time with my siblings. I will go together with my parents in Singapore and Malaysia. So I spent only 2 days here in Philippines and it was really worth it. I had a hair care salon visit and then I did my nails and spent time with my family here, and it was really nice. Even though it's 2 days only, I think that it is worth it. And tomorrow is our flight going to Malaysia, and Malaysia then Singapore. So we will spend until August 1 to 6 there. So hopefully it will be surely a lot of fun. So they're now gathering the food here, and look at my mom, very happy. Yes po. Thank you. Oh, yummy. Sushi selection. Chicken feet. Sweet and sour pork, spaghetti, rice, salad, mga healthy lifestyle person.
Bago ang ano, Calvaro.
Si Mama, syempre, meat.
Tibo ka rin na ano. Nagaya na sila umuwi. Balik tayo, ha?
Caught on vlog 4K. Sarap. Sarap.
Buntis ka, no?
Hindi ako buntis.
Buntis ka.
Ako yun.
Hindi ka na babalik sa ano, Maldives? Dito ka na sa Pinas, huwag ka trabaho.
Ano?
Alam ni ate?
Oo.
Oo, syempre. Ako taga
Ano?
Hindi naman nakakagulat yan.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go. Promoted.
Sino?
Ako!
Ano posisyon? Ano posisyon?
President ng ng UAE?
Hindi. Manager.
Manager ka na naman?
Yes! No!
Sales and events.
Sales manager.
Iba ka talaga, Pia.
Time to celebrate!
Kailan pa?
So, this is taking over my sister's vlog. So, ano sabi mo, Ian? Hi! Hi, Shizams! Papa, ano masabi mo? Pa? Ha? Ano masabi mo? Sabi mo, hi, Shizams!
Ano pa na?
Hi, Shizams!
Higam?
Oo, Shizams!
Higam. Ano pangalan niya ate? Higam.
Hi! So, take 2 at nag-lipstick na ako. Hi, Shiza! Hi! Uy, mag-hi ka sa vlog.
Hi!
Hi, netizens! Hi, netizens!
Hi, netizen.
Mag-vlog ka rin ng mukbang mo. Mukbang. So, ayun, ang tagal nila. At sila ay maraming kinain. Kailangan bawasan ang aming mga pagkain for today. So, ayan po. At tomorrow, they will fly away to the kingdom of, Malaysia. Bye!
Yung mga inanuan ng pikas.
Nakaka-cover yung ilong mo, nakakayo.
Kasi maliit yung ilong ko eh.
Grabe yung ano mo, Leia. Oh.
Varicose.
Nag-varicose ka. Nakatayo ka
Uy,
lagi
grabe,
siguro.
may salamin na yung mat. Hello everyone, so it's night na ito. So mag-aano muna ako. Face,
For tomorrow's.
yeah, for tomorrow's
For
quest.
tomorrow's Puyat Gaming.
Yeah. Face mask muna kaming mga madla. Good night! Day 2 in the Philippines. So this sums up my 2 days in Philippines. Now we're about to go to
Singapore and Malaysia.
Malaysia and Singapore.
Brought to you by
My-
the travel agency of Leia.
Travel agency of Miss Liarni Manondo. I think we need to open.
Yeah.
We need to start a business.
Travel ng travel pa naman itong si,
Bye-bye. We're so excited.